Hey guys, it's Larry and it is Friday. Thank goodness. Oh, TGIF, man. It has been a weird week, so I am so glad we made it. And I am so glad you're here with me today. We're going to do another Plan With Me video. And today I am using this gorgeous planner sticker set from Wendy T of the Darling Happy Planners Facebook group. And look at how cute this artwork is. Super pretty mermaids with a merman, and really cute. I wanted to use this kit before summer is over, so this is going to be for the week of August 13th through the 19th. And if you'd like to see how I put this together and plan along with me, then stick around and let's have some fun, guys. Happy Friday. Okay guys, so again, this is the Mermaid collection from Wendy T of the Darling Happy Planners. I'll have a link for her or her information below. It is a Facebook group. You need to request permission to join, but she has an enormous library of beautiful free printables, so I highly recommend seeking her out. She is a wonderful designer and a great Facebook friend. So here is the stickers that I made from her PDF file. And again, I take the PDF file, convert it to PNG, and upload it into my Cricut design space to make these stickers. If you have any questions on that, I'll put a link below on how I do that. And I put in my social media on my stickers just so I don't have to make extra. I just print that right on there. But look how cute these turned out. Look at her. She is just adorable. Love the prints. Like the colors. I made some extra washi. Usually I only do like 2 of each size, but I did several this time. Made my weekend. Added that in. We've got some really cool flags. And here's our main boxes. These are full size for the Classic Happy Planner. And let's get started. So as we do, it's Friday, we have some fun. We're going to do some planning. I'm going to put it on fast forward. We're going to play some music, have a good time. Pull up your chair, get your planner out, grab a cocktail, and let's plan for next week. All right, guys, let's go. this is it. This is my final layout for August 13th through the 19th. I think it came out adorable. I love the colors because even though there's not as much white space, it kind of feels more open and like there is more white space than there really is. So I think it turned out fabulous. Super love it. I just love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you will check out Wendy T and the Darling Happy Planners on Facebook. And I think this is just it. So this is all before the pen. I'll put in my appointments and add in maybe some icon stickers for chores and appointments and whatnot. But this is it for the week. Thanks for joining me. I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much for being here with me today. You know I love having your support and I love sharing this time with you. And if you're not yet a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. Subscribe button over here. And I hope to see you in the next video. So don't forget, Fridays are Plan With Me's, and then I sprinkle some other videos throughout the week. So I hope to see you in the next video. See you soon. Please remember, be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. Bye, guys.